Hey guys, it's Sierra here with JB's Power Center. Today I wanted to show you this awesome Jeep that we had in our shop for some wicked upgrades today. On this Jeep, we put on some brand new fuel wheels, mounted them on some brand new BFGoodrich rubber. We put in a 4-inch lift kit, as well as a new Flowmaster exhaust. And then on the inside, we added a new Kenwood multimedia head unit. I seen this Jeep when it was dropped off, and if you ask me, I would never have been able to recognize that this was the same one. This thing got a complete overhaul. If you're ready to give your Jeep an overhaul and you want to build your own dream machine, give the experts at JB's Power Center a call and let's get your build started. Thanks for watching, and we hope you really enjoyed our video. If you want to view more of our JB's content, click over here. And if you haven't already, be sure to click over here to subscribe to our JB's channel to be notified of our future content.